Conversation in travel situations. At the airport.
Excuse me, where's the check-in counter for flight AA-123?
It's over there, next to gate 5. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go. How many bags can I check in?
You're allowed 2 bags, up to 23 kilograms each.
Where can I find the boarding gate?
It's gate 12, just follow the signs.
What time does the flight board?
Boarding starts at 8:30 a.m.
At the hotel.
I'd like to check in. My name is Laura.
Welcome, Ms. Laura. Here's your room key.
Is Wi-Fi included in the room price?
Yes, it's free for all guests.
Do you offer room service?
Yes, we're available 24/7. The menu is in your room.
Can I get a wake-up call at 6 a.m., please?
Sure, I'll arrange that for you.
What's the checkout time?
It's at 12 p.m., but we can extend it if needed.
Asking for directions and transportation.
Excuse me, how do I get to the city center?
You can take the subway. It's just a 10-minute ride.
Is there a taxi stand nearby?
Yes, it's right outside the terminal.
How much is the fare to the hotel?
It's about $30, depending on traffic.
Can I buy a Metro card here?
Yes, the vending machine is over there.
What time does the last bus leave?
The last bus departs at 10:30 p.m.
Sightseeing and buying tickets.
How much is the ticket to the museum?
It's $15 for adults and $10 for children.
Is there a guided tour available?
Yes, the next tour starts at 2 p.m.
Can I take photos inside the gallery?
Yes, but flash photography is not allowed.
Where can I rent a bike to explore the area?
There's a bike rental shop just around the corner.
What's the best way to get to the beach?
You can take a taxi or rent a scooter.